your photos in just a few. Today, I'll show you step by step how to use Luma-Loft's powerful image generator and unlock advanced editing features. Let's dive right in. Let's kick things off by opening the Tools menu. Next, select the image generator to launch your image editing workspace. Now, click Upload Image, then choose your photo from your device and get it ready for creative edits. Next up, type a clear, specific description into the prompt box. This prompt tells Luma-Loft how you want your image to be changed. In this example, our goal is to eliminate the sun rays that are distracting from the faces in the image. To do this, we simply typed, remove the sun rays. When you're happy with your prompt, hit the Generate button. In seconds, your edits will appear on screen. Drag the preview slider to see the difference between the before and after results. Ready to save? Click the Download button to save your new image directly to your device. Let's look at another example of how to remove unwanted objects from your photo. Upload another photo from your device. Enter commands like, remove the people at the background, then generate to instantly update your image with the new edit. Drag the preview slider to see the difference between the before and after results. If you enjoy our content and want us to continue sharing tutorials, please subscribe to our channel. If you want to switch to another photo, simply close your current edit. Next, pick a fresh item from your gallery to start again. In this example, we need to revise the text related to a specific subject. Just enter your new prompt, change text from Tommy to Luma, and use the Generate function to bring fresh ideas to life, whether it's editing objects or fixing imperfections. Easily toggle the before and after slider to compare your. Would you like to change the background or scene in your photo? Just upload another photo, type your prompt and let Luma-Loft generate your updated results in one click. To change the background, simply enter a prompt like, change the background to a beach view, and watch as your background transforms instantly. Or change the scene by typing change the scene to be in a. Once you're satisfied, download your finished image, and easily find it in your files, ready to share. Now you know how to master image editing with Luma-Loft's image generator. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more editing tips, and let me know in the comments what you want to see next. Happy creating!